Unleash your inner explorer. Have you ever felt the thrill of stepping off the beaten path, uncovering something truly extraordinary? Today, we're embarking on an adventure to uncover America's best-kept secrets, those breathtaking places that don't make it to the top of travel guides but deserve a spot on your bucket list. I remember stumbling upon a tiny, secluded canyon in Arizona. It wasn't on any map I had, and getting there required a bit of curiosity and a lot of dust on my boots. But what I found was magical: red rock walls glowing in the sunlight, untouched and serene. It reminded me that the most unforgettable adventures often begin where the guidebooks end. Beyond the tourist traps, we all know the big attractions: Times Square, the Grand Canyon, Disney World. But what about the small-town diners with the best pie you've ever had? Or that hidden trail leading to a secret waterfall? These hidden gems are where you find authenticity, the heartbeat of a place. The truth is, traditional travel guides miss the mark when it comes to capturing the soul of a destination. They focus on the obvious, leaving the extraordinary buried under layers of the ordinary. But we're here to change that. A state-by-state treasure hunt. Here's the plan: we'll explore one hidden gem from every state. From the haunting beauty of Montana's ghost towns to the quirky charm of Alabama's unassuming roadside museums, this journey is as diverse as it is exciting. Imagine discovering a bioluminescent bay in Puerto Rico, where the water glows with every paddle stroke. Or stumbling upon a historic village in New England that feels frozen in time. Every state has a treasure waiting to be uncovered, and today, we're revealing them to you. Planning your dream road trip. Now that you're inspired, let's talk logistics. Planning a road trip to visit these hidden gems doesn't have to be daunting. Start by mapping out clusters of destinations to minimize travel time. Apps like Roadtrippers or Google Maps can be game changers. And don't forget to dig deeper. Chat with locals, check out community boards, and embrace spontaneity. Often, it's the places you find along the way that make the journey unforgettable. Hit the road and discover the unexpected. So, what are you waiting for? Adventure is calling, and the open road is your invitation to explore. These hidden gems are more than destinations, they're experiences that will transform the way you see the world. Pack your bags, hit the road, and remember, the best stories begin with a leap into the unknown. Discover the unexpected, and let the journey change you. If you love this guide, make sure to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy exploring.